Yo, it's your boy Geezo back with another video, and today, let me move this back, man. And today, one more time for you haters, man. And today, look, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Again, that's like, share, subscribe, comment as well, hit the notification bell. And also watch all the ads all the way through. Please don't skip them. Thank you very much. You can click on them as well if you feel free. You know what I mean? And just click on them, and that'll be good for me. Also, don't forget every link that I share with you guys. Please make sure you use my code, man. Majority of the time it's code Geezo. Sometimes it's Geezo10, but please use my codes that I share with you guys. Please and thank you, so I can continue to have these kind of videos. All right, let's get into it, man. I got a package. Definitely got a package. Okay, guys. Let me wipe this off real quick, man. Let's wipe this off real quick. Give it a little wipe-a-roo. There we go. Wipe that off. Okay. I have a package here, guys. I have a package here. So let's see what it is. To be honest, I really don't know what it is. It could be three things, but we'll see which one it really is. Let me get this thing open, man. I should have grabbed a knife, but it's alright. We here, man. We here. I think I could go Credible Hulk on here. Hold on, man. Give me 1 second, man, so I can go Credible Hulk on this thing, man. Credible Hulk on this thing, man. I don't want to damage the box, so let me take my time, man. I don't want to damage the box, so let me take my time. Oh, man. Okay. Hold on. Let me get it out the wrapper. Okay. All right, the box is a little damaged. I ain't gonna lie. The box is definitely a little damaged because they didn't put extra protection on it, but we have Prada. Can you say it with me? Prada. Yeah, we got Prada. See what we got in the box. Let's open the top. Okay. This is how much I actually spent on. You get a receipt. You get a Prada card. Oh man, what is this? You get a Prada bag. Nice, silky. Okay. See what these things looking like. Okay, well, you actually can't see them. Do I see shoestrings? No shoestrings in here, guys. So this is the shoe. It comes in a thing like this. You take it out. I ain't gonna lie, man. Okay, so first of all, the shoe has a strong smell, and it's not a bad smell. It doesn't stink. It's just a strong smell, man. Chemical type smell. It's a clean smell, but like a strong supply something. But these are the shoes, man. Prada's. I said, let me try something new, man. Let me try something new. I wanted to get the boots, but they didn't have them in white. Like, I don't know if y'all ever seen the white Prada boots. I really like those, man. These things, I took this out, squeeze test, top, nice leather. I don't know if this is actual leather or not, but it feels like the nicest, softest leather. Big sole of the shoe. Big sole of the shoe. Yeah, these things will look crazy. I picked these just because they were different. Like, they were so different. I said, let me try these out, man. Look how different they look. And I'm pretty sure I'll be the only person with these on. Like, these look so different. So let's get into the details. You see this on the back, red little thing. On the front, the red is there too. On the back, it has a little flappy thing. The tongue. Let's check out the tongue. Let me look at the tongue before I show you. I don't know about this tongue, man. The tongue doesn't have anything on it. Just a black strip. Inside the shoe it says Prada, if you can see that. So we have to check this out, man. Like, the feel of the shoe is nice. No lie, man. The feel of the shoe is actual nice. Again, I don't like the smell of the shoe. I don't know what they did. Like, they actually did something wrong, I guess. Like, some type of chemical in there, man. Some type of chemical, I don't know. But it's not really that big of a deal, because somebody like me would put like a fabric softener or something in there to change the smell of the shoe anyway. Okay, so now the bottom of the shoe. You see that? All the way up. All the way up, just a gap. These are some different shoes, guys. Like, wow, this is amazing. You see the Prada in the middle? I don't know if y'all can see that, but this is crazy. I got these shoes because they're different. I like the way they're shaped. Squeeze test. Hey man, this is a nice shoe. So yeah, of course I'll try them on. Let me see if they fit real quick. I know you got. So I got my foot in there. They're not really comfortable to me, but we'll see as the time goes on. You know what I mean? You have to play with them. Pause. But that's how they look on the foot. So, yeah. I don't know, for real, man. I have to mess with them, because the more they on my feet, you know what I mean? They're a little tight, man. I ain't gonna lie. Overall, I give this, you know what I mean, I give it a 7 in experience. But I definitely still gonna be able to wear it. I'm gonna just walk in them for a while. They'll loosen up after a while. So, yeah, man. Peace. I'm out.